Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a VAT number in Shopify, tax compliance made easy. Managing an online store can be thrilling, but it also comes with its fair share of responsibilities. One of the most important aspects is ensuring that your store complies with tax regulations, which can be a bit daunting. Today, we're going to specifically focus on adding a VAT number to your Shopify store. This is crucial for those of you selling in regions where VAT, or value-added tax, is a legal requirement. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up correctly, ensuring your business stays compliant and your transactions are handled smoothly. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify account. This is your starting point for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you've logged in, you should head straight to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center, where you have access to everything related to your store management. From the dashboard, navigate to the My Store section. You can typically find this under the Home button on the left side of your screen. Clicking on My Store will provide you with a detailed overview of your store's settings and performance metrics. It's a useful area to familiarize yourself with, as it gives you insight into how your store is running. Next, you'll want to delve into the settings. The settings option is usually located towards the bottom of the left-hand menu or sometimes along the bottom bar of your screen. Click on Settings to open up a range of options that allow you to control various aspects of your store. Today, our focus is specifically on tax settings, which is a critical area for ensuring compliance. Within the Settings menu, look for Taxes and Duties. Selecting this option will bring you to the section where you can manage all tax-related configurations for your store. It's important to get this right because incorrect tax settings can lead to compliance issues, which nobody wants. Once you're in the Taxes and Duties section, locate the option to charge VAT on digital goods. Now, this might sound like it's only applicable to digital products, but it often applies more broadly to general VAT settings as well. It's particularly crucial if you're selling to customers in regions where VAT must be applied by law. By enabling this option, Shopify will handle the calculation and application of VAT rates to appropriate transactions. This automation not only saves you time but also ensures accuracy, reducing the risk of errors. After you've done this, double-check all of your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is vital as it helps prevent any potential issues that might arise from incorrect tax settings. If you're ever in doubt about what tax rates to apply to your specific business needs, consulting a tax professional is always a wise move. And there you have it. You've successfully added your VAT number to Shopify. This straightforward process ensures that your store adheres to legal tax obligations, boosting your business's credibility, especially if you're operating on an international scale. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to add a VAT number in Shopify, tax compliance made easy. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.